Oh yeah, and welcome to the channel, guys. In this video we are talking about my Lyft Driver Pay, my real earnings, day number 6 as a Lyft Lux driver. Thanks for coming by and welcome to the channel, the home of the free dash cam giveaway, where we're giving away a free dash cam every single month once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so and make sure you click the bell so you know when we do the dash cam giveaway. The dash cam is the Vanture N2 Pro dash cam. This is a pretty badass dash cam right here. Bam, got the nice HD front camera, and in the back got a little screen right there so you can see everything that's going on, that the cameras are recording. And then it's hard for me to do this with one hand, but it's got a swivel. The eye swivels, so you can angle it in your car a lot better. This thing's really dope. But like I said, I'm gonna be giving away one of those every single month once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that and click the bell so you know when I'm doing the dash cam giveaway. So, been a good week overall. Today is Friday. It is like 10 o'clock in the morning right now. Sitting at the airport queue. In a second, we're gonna get into a screen recording and I'm gonna show you exactly what I got going on in the airport queue, what number I am, how much money I made today. It's been a really good day for me as far as Lyft goes. In the Lux category, I had a lot of Lux drives this morning, which is really good. I also drive in Lyft XL and Lyft Black. Excuse me a second. This coffee's making me burp. I got a little coffee. Had a little pit stop here at the airport. Had to drop off, and went in, got myself some coffee, and took a little break. Now I'm just sitting here on this nice sunny day, sunny, cold November morning. It's like 30 degrees this morning. It was freezing last night. Winter is upon us. So this morning was a private client. I picked this lady up from the airport queue. This is how I started my day. Really great start to the day. So I picked up a lady from the airport a couple days ago. It was a black ride, a Lux Black. Took her out to Waltham, right near where I live, to the hotel. We had a good conversation. She did good at opening me up. Like she was the one that wanted to talk. She was the one that wanted to create the conversation. So we got to know each other on a quick 30-minute ride. Anyways, by the end of the ride, gave her my card. She gave me her card, and then I was actually. So here's the other thing too. When someone gives you their number for a ride, or if you ask if you can take care of them, or take care of them while they're in town, let's say, and you get their contact information, like I usually just give them my card, and then I might say something like, oh, can you just text me to confirm our appointment? Like, so if they set an appointment for tomorrow, let's say, I say something like, oh, can you text me now just so I can, just in case I need to change plans with you. That way you have their number, and it's always good to reach back out that day or prior to your appointment just to make sure that everything's all still set. But my point is, I had her card, and I had thought about texting her earlier in the day before her ride today, just to see if she needed me to take care of her, if she needed any transportation help, any transportation services while she was in town, and I didn't. But the thing is, she ended up reaching out to me through the Lyft app saying that she lost something, but then saying that no, she just wanted to know if I would give her a ride to the airport in the morning. So yes. So I'm glad that she reached out to me. I was wrong because I should have reached out to her first. I should have been the one to reach out and be like, hey, do you need my services while you're in town? Just to check back in, say, something nice like, hey, it was nice meeting you. Just checking in to see if you need my services at all while you're in town. But I got really fortunate. I got really lucky on this one because she called me. So happy about that. Very, very happy about that. So I started that day, the day off with the airport run, a black ride to the airport. We did that. That was like a $60 ride. She didn't tip. I don't think she tipped on the other ride either, but that's okay. Taking a black ride, I appreciate the black ride, the extra commission, the extra pay per ride right there on the highway. Nice easy ride on the highway, no problem. I'm trying to think what else. Ton of Lux rides this morning. I just couldn't get away from them. Even when I wanted to turn the app off, I just kept getting pinged for those Lux rides. But hey, I'll take it. And sometimes that happens. You just get so busy. And what happens with Lyft is that there's no Lyft economy drivers in the area. So I think I get pinged a lot of times for these rides that aren't necessarily Lux rides or XL rides. And then if I have the black only on, which is really cool, I like having that on because a lot of times I will get paying for rides that are like, say, an economy ride, but I'm the closest one, so they'll give me a black rate just because they don't have any drivers close enough. So that's a really good option to have. Like, sometimes these rides come in and I'm not even expecting them, and it's just nice. It's nice to have that premium vehicle. So if you're thinking about upgrading your vehicle, I would highly suggest it. You're gonna get more control. If you're worried about the payment, you can definitely make that money up on the weekends. You just have to hustle a little bit. You know, obviously, you know, keep the costs under control. Don't go out and buy a brand new car. If you're going to buy something newer, I would say, you know, a 3-year-old is a good middle point. A good car, you know, after a 3-year lease or something like that, it's a good car to have. But all right, guys, so enough of me rambling and babbling. Let's get to the video. Let's get to the screen recording so you can see my pay. So I don't have my mic on this, so I hope the audio's okay. But anyways, we can get into it, guys. Let's do a screen recording. All right, so I'm going to start the screen recording right now. Hopefully the sun doesn't blast me in the face and mess up this whole lighting on this video. So here we are today. $132 so far this morning. That was in 5 rides, and so if we go to see what is up, so I did 5 rides, and then I was online for 3 hours and 21 minutes. So if you want to break that down, that's 137 divided by 321. 137 divided by 3.33. That's $41 an hour driving with Lyft. I say 3.33 because that's 3 hours and 20 minutes. So 3.33 hours. $41 an hour driving with Lyft this morning. As a Lyft Lux driver, these were all like Lux drives, Lux and Lux Black. We can go through them right now. So you can see my first one, $56.80 for that Lux Black. Another Lux for $14.33. Another Lux for $23 plus $5.23 tip. A Lux plus a ride bonus. So that was pretty cool because I had that this Lux ride right here that was $23.44, that 816. So I dropped them off and immediately got another Lux drive in a ride bonus area. So that was pretty cool. I was glad to have gotten that. I was disappointed because like I saw that it was red. I had dropped off in a bonus zone, and I wanted to let it max out because that would have maxed out around $13 or so. But I got a ride right away, so I'll take it because you never know what was going to happen anyways. If I sat there and waited, I might not have gotten a ride, or it might have been a Lyft economy ride. Who knows? But the morning went pretty good. Another Lux ride after that drop off, so everything was really, really close in proximity. So my Lyft today was very good. It was very like one after the other after the other. It's not always like that. It's more like that with Uber. So there, you can see it right there. You can see everything, how much I made, what was going on, how much I've made so far this week. That's $442. I'm sitting at the airport right now. I decided to sit here and wait. I'm number 7. Oh, that really jumped. It was just at 10. So as you can see, here's my number in each one. So Lux Black XL number 10, Lux number 9, Lux Black 12, Lux Lyft XL number 8. Now XL typically goes the fastest out of the premium modes. And so I'm expecting an XL first. Oh, we're down to 5, so that's going pretty fast. But I'm also on Uber. So there's Uber. I'm number 6 through 10 in the XL category. There you can see I'm only doing XL this morning. Because it's pretty slow, I don't expect a lot of surge. You can see what's going on here a little bit in the area. I only did 1 ride this morning with Uber. 1 comfort ride, and that was worth $30 for me. There was a $5 tip in there, I'm pretty sure. We can go into that real quick. Comfort ride, not bad. That was with a surge, so we had a $10 surge on that, and then the ride itself. I made more on this. Pretty sure I made more on the surge, or just about equal amount on the surge as I did for the trip. So if I do that, $30 plus the 132. So let's see how I did. 30 plus 132. 162, and that was really for 3.5 hours because I started at 6:30, stopped at 10. So $46 an hour altogether driving this morning, driving for Lyft and driving with Uber. It was a pretty successful morning, I have to say. If I can get to the airport or around 10 o'clock and be at 130 to 150, pretty happy. But that was at 160, so that's a pretty good deal. I'm gonna wait my turn at the airport, and then I'm gonna go out and drive, take a ride, and then I think at 1 o'clock there's a nice promotion going on in Uber. So let me see upcoming promotions. And this is something you always need to do, guys. You always need to, it's always good to take a look at the promotions, take a look at the calendar, see what's going on in the city. Lyft's really good about that in their calendar. They put up events, which I really like. So what do we have promotion? So this looks like today. So make $16 extra for 3-trip series. So, that's over $5 per trip when you do them 3 in a row, and I'm really excited about that. That's pretty good, and I'll probably head out into the city between 1 to 4 p.m. today just to make some extra money. By the time I'm done today, I would expect to see, I don't know, I'll definitely see 200. I would love to see 250, but we'll see how the day goes. Maybe I'll get lucky here with a nice premium ride, a nice XL ride to get out of here. Get on out of here. Okay. All right, guys. Appreciate you being here. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell so you know when I'm doing the dash cam giveaway. Other than that, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, if you like what I'm doing here. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.